You wanna go get a squirrel? You can get a squirrel? Come on. Get the squirrel. Look. Hold tight. You ready? Ready? Go get him.
Written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind.
Good morning, guys. We are just sitting out on the porch enjoying this beautiful weather. It's a little windy, so there's a slight cool breeze, but it really feels amazing. Earlier we had some birds eating our bird seed, so we were kind of watching them from inside, and as soon as we, I think that's Griffin wanting out. As soon as we came outside, they all flew away. But Will said that one time this morning there were like 13 birds out in our backyard and 2 squirrels, and he said it was really pretty. But of course, as the morning went on, they flew away. So I got done editing yesterday's vlog about 2 hours ago, and I was pretty proud of it. And then I tried to share it to YouTube, and apparently all of my footage, like the raw footage, hadn't actually imported to the computer, and I lost like half of the movie. So we have been working on it for like, we have been working on it for like the past 2 hours at least, trying to figure out how to get it back, and we just now figured out how to get it imported again. So I've got to pretty much redo all of the editing I already did. So it's been great. You wanna go get a squirrel? You can get a squirrel? Come on. Get the squirrel. Look. Hold tight. You ready? Ready? Go get him. He doesn't even see it. So I finally got yesterday's vlog uploaded to YouTube. Like I said earlier, it took some serious battling with the computer this morning, but finally we're getting out of the house. We are going to head to the gym and get our workout in. I think we've skipped like the last 3 days, so we feel pretty awful about ourselves and are just kind of ready to burn some calories and get some frustration out for the past few days. So I'm
just like yawning, like, oh.
Yeah, I mean, we're a little sluggish, a little tired today, but we know that we need to get out. We know it will be good for us. Yep. So that's where we're headed now.
We're on our way back from the gym, and we had a good workout, but when we first got there, the power was out in the gym. It was like completely pitch black, no AC, like no TVs, no lights, no anything. And so thankfully for us, we just did our weights, which don't really require electricity, but it was just kind of funny. It was like super quiet because there's no music, and then the power came back on like 10 minutes into our workout, but it was pretty funny. I'd never experienced anything like that. So we just got back home from the gym. We stopped at CVS on our way home to get some milk, and while we were there, I saw that they were having a deal. If you have a CVS card, you can get 2 boxes of Special K protein for $5. Originally, they're $4.50 50 cents, $4.30, and I think they're like over $4 at like Walmart or Kroger too. So it was a super good deal. I'm about to make dinner. We're going to have shredded buffalo chicken pasta. So I'm gonna dice some veggies, saute them with the chicken, shred the chicken, add it to the pasta. So let's start by chopping our veggies. Next, let's add them to the hot pan. Now let's shred the chicken. We're gonna add the chicken back in with some Frank's buffalo sauce. And then we'll mix them together and see how it turns out. Product, so let's give it a taste. That's good. Well guys, we finished dinner, so now we're gonna wind down. I'm gonna play some video games and we're gonna shower and get to bed. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.
How I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me